Bulgaria is located in the southern eastern part of Europe, near the Black Sea. The Via Pontica crosses its territory. Translated from Latin, this means the Black Sea pathway. As well as being the name of this ancient road connecting the Roman Empire with the Balkan peninsula, it's also the name of the route that migrating birds take from Europe to Africa. This is the route followed by many predatory, water and songbirds, among which are storks, Egyptian and griffon vultures, as well as the whole European population of pink-backed pelicans.